I was practicing my politician caught in a scandal face. Anyway, a word about when you're representing yourself and the other side has a lawyer. I might have said it before, and I'll say it again. If you can't talk for yourself in court, then you may have no choice but to get a lawyer or take whatever the court gives you. Now, if the other side has a lawyer, you can't let that intimidate you. All they're doing is talking for the other side, basically, nothing more. If your ex does have a lawyer, and if it does intimidate you, then you have no choice but to continue on, get a lawyer, or take whatever the court gives you. Okay, now, once parents have custody, a big play for the exes are trying to get custody from the other ex in order to avoid paying child support, and even getting child support from your ex. That's a nice plus. This is a common power play, and if it's going on, I would make a note to mention it to the court, to the judge. Okay. Now, this is a more popular strategy for the non-custodial guys, but sometimes women do it as well. But when women do it, they've usually been either wanting or trying to get custody from their exes anyway. Now, basically, in any other civil proceeding, similar strategies like the ones I've mentioned apply. Have good witnesses, ask good questions, put on a nice game face, come in with notes, and don't be afraid to take notes as well. And when you're showing a judge an exhibit or a piece of evidence, make sure you either have two copies to give one to the prosecutor or to the other side, or let them see it before you hand it to the judge. That will impress them when you know evidence rules like that. And that's it in the condensed version. There can be a lot more to it than that, but I believe that's enough to steer you in the right direction.